This versatile kitchen tool includes noodle clips, food clips, and an egg beater. It's perfect for whisking eggs, mixing milk and cream, stirring pasta, and more. A must-have accessory for all your cooking and baking needs. Portable toothbrush case and holder with a multifunctional wall-mounted cup, ideal for organizing your bathroom. Flexible non-slip resin chopping boards with hooks for easy storage, perfect kitchen tools for any household. Keep your kitchen organized. Adjustable automatic door closer for light residential doors, mounts on surfaces. Stylish glass ashtray with a cover, windproof and portable, perfect for home, office, or car. Holds cigarettes neatly. Transparent clips for organizing wires on your desk or wall. Perfect for holding USB cords and other cables, keeping your space neat and tidy. This windproof stainless steel laundry hanger with clips is perfect for drying clothes outdoors. It's great for underwear, socks, and other items. It keeps your laundry secure and dry, even on windy days. Portable laundry washboard for household use, ideal for washing kids' clothes, underwear, and socks. Non-slip and compact for easy handling and effective cleaning. Wall-mounted bathroom slipper rack that's easy to install. Foldable design for storing shoes or slippers near the toilet. Stainless steel sewing tools with side openings. Includes a chili-shaped plastic tube for needle storage. Wall-mounted foldable laundry basket for storing dirty clothes. Breathable design keeps clothes fresh. Perfect for hanging in the bathroom or any space, saving floor space while keeping laundry organized. This handheld multi-function tool cuts eggs and removes pits from cherries, olives, and dates, made of stainless steel. It's easy to clean and store. Wall-mounted phone holder and storage box. Keeps your phone charger and remote organized and easily accessible. Ideal for keeping your space tidy and your devices within reach. This hanging kitchen bin with a lid mounts easily on cupboard doors or walls. It's perfect for use in the kitchen or bathroom, helping you keep waste organized and out of sight.